Biological Day to all of you. Myself Shubhijan from class 6th. I am here to explain the term biological diversity, divided into two parts, bio and diversity. Bio means life and diversity means variable. Total sum of the living organisms present on the earth. There are three types of biodiversity. Gigantic, species and ecosystem diversity. Thank you.
Save the diversity of life, prevent death of the species, protect the biodiversity, environment needs us.
नमस्कार, मैं हिमांशी दादीज कक्षा 10वीं अ की छात्रा आप सभी के समक्ष जैव विविधता दिवस पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम ने कहा था कि जैव विविधता से परिपूर्ण हमारी धरती सदैव रचनात्मकता का संदेश देती है और इस रचनात्मकता से मानव नई खोज, आविष्कार और अनुसंधान द्वारा विकास के मार्ग पर बढ़ता जाता है। इस प्रकार धरती की सुंदर जैव विविधता का मानवीय विकास से गहरा संबंध है। अतः जैव विविधता संरक्षण से मानव न केवल प्रकृति का सम्मान करता है वरन वह स्वयं भी अपने भविष्य को संवारता है। प्रत्येक वर्ष 22 मई अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जैविक विविधता दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। इस वर्ष जैव विविधता दिवस का मुख्य विषय जैव विविधता की मुख्य धारा, लोग और उनकी आजीविका है। असल में जैव विविधता केवल जीव जंतुओं से ही नहीं बल्कि समस्त मानव जाति से जुड़ी है। यही कारण है कि भारतीय संस्कृति में सह अस्तित्व की भावना पर बल देते समस्त जीव जंतु एवं वनस्पति के प्रति आदर भाव व्यक्त किया जाता रहता है। भारतीय संस्कृति में प्रकृति और जैव विविधता संरक्षण की परंपरा प्राचीन काल से ही रही है। गौतम बुद्ध, महावीर स्वामी, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, स्वामी विवेकानंद, गांधी जी आदि महापुरुषों के विचार में प्रकृति प्रेम और जीवन के विविध रूपों के प्रति आदर भाव देखा जा सकता है। वैसे जैव विविधता मानवीय गतिविधियों से भी प्रभावित हो रही है। अत्यधिक औद्योगिकरण का परिणाम प्रदूषण के रूप में सामने आया है। प्रदूषित पर्यावरण, यहाँ तक कि पर्यावरण में बदलाव किसी भी ऐसी प्रजाति के लिए खतरा पैदा कर सकता है जो इसके अनुकूल खुद को नहीं ढाल पाती है। पहले से ही बहुत सी प्रजातियां जैसे कि डोडो हमेशा के लिए विलुप्त हो चुकी है। बहुत सी अन्य प्रजातियां विलुप्त होने की कगार पर खड़ी है। विलुप्तता वह स्थिति है जब किसी प्रजाति विशेष का कोई भी सदस्य न बचा हो। एक बार विलुप्त हो जाने के बाद किसी प्रजाति को वापस लाने का कोई रास्ता नहीं है। सफेद बाघ, गिद्ध, बाघ एवं डॉल्फिन जैसी सर्वाधिक संकटग्रस्त प्रजातियों की ओर तुरंत ध्यान देने की आवश्यकता है ताकि इन जीवों को बचाया जा सके। अवैध शिकार के कारण मोर, बाघ, हिरण, भालू, गेंडे व शेर जैसे जीवों का अस्तित्व खतरे में है। जहां मोर पंखों के कारण हर साल हजारों मोरों को मार दिया जाता है, यही नहीं विभिन्न प्रकार की भ्रांतियां के चलते उल्लुओं, बाघ एवं गेंडों जैसे अनेक जीवों को महज इसीलिए मार दिया जाता है ताकि उनके अंगों से बनी औषधियों का सेवन करके स्वास्थ्य एवं संपत्ति की प्राप्ति हो सके। समाज से जब तक ऐसे अंधविश्वास मिट नहीं जाते तब तक जैव विविधता संरक्षण संबंधी कोई भी अभियान सफल नहीं हो सकता। इसके लिए समाज में जागरूकता की आवश्यकता है ताकि जनमानस अंधविश्वासों व रूढ़ियों से ऊपर उठकर जैव विविधता के महत्व को समझ सके। धन्यवाद।
Hi friends, myself Harshit Rampuria. I am studying in Birla Shiksha Kendra, Madhavnagar, Chittorgarh. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine during this pandemic situation. Now, I am here to express my views on a topic which is related to biology. Now, the day today is known as the Biodiversity Day. So, let me tell you the simple definition of biodiversity. The existence of a number of different kinds of plants and animals which together make a good and healthy environment. Now, I want to tell you the full form of word diversity. D stands for different, I for individual, V for valuing, E for each other, R for regardless of, S skin, I stands for intellect, T stands for talent, and Y stands for ears. Now I am going to recite a poem on the same topic. We all are born in a different way, how we look and what we say. From different countries around the world, of different genders, boys and girls, of many sizes and colors too. The things we like and the things we do. We are sure glad that it works this way. The world is so colorful every day. If everyone were the same, you see, you wouldn't be you and I wouldn't be me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Harishri Dave and I am going to convey a small message on Biodiversity Day. The International Day for Biodiversity is annually observed on 22nd May. This day is celebrated to make people aware of the biodiversity. It includes all the living creatures in the world. Birds are everywhere. Greenery is everywhere. How happy on earth we are. Playful monkeys, giraffes with long necks. How majestic is everything. The Royal Bengal tiger residing happily in Sundarbans with water around himself. The sphere of time changes, scene changes. Suddenly, a poacher emerges from somewhere. He aimed the tiger and the bullet released out of the gun and killed the tiger. Very sad. The woodcutters started cutting the trees, and one by one, all the trees got cut. There is not a single drop of water in the river. All the creatures are dying for oxygen and water. That man is disturbed. He can't earn because his source of earning is also destroyed. Soon he would also die of hunger. That girl hasn't drank a single drop of water since 2 days. She is so thirsty, but no water. All efforts in vain. Now how much she could try to bring back the diversity but can't do anything. She is helpless. We have to save our environment by preserving it. Remember, if once it is destroyed, we can't bring it back and we have to pay a lot for this. So friends, please preserve our biodiversity. Happy Biodiversity Day to all of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Mohanty from class 6th and today I am going to tell you some points about Biodiversity Day. So first of all, I would like to tell you Happy Biodiversity Day. And now, first of all, Biodiversity Day is celebrated on 22nd May. Now, why do we celebrate Biodiversity Day? We celebrate Biodiversity Day to spread awareness and to increase understanding of biodiversity issue. This day is decided to celebrate the International Day for Biological Diversity annually. Now, what does biodiversity means? The term biodiversity is derived from biological diversity, refers to the variety of life on earth at its levels from gens to ecosystems and can encompass the involuntary, ecological and cultural process at the sustained life. Now, I will show you some quotes on Biodiversity Day. First quote, biodiversity is most valuable but least appreciated resource. This quote is written by Edward O. Wilson. Second, biodiversity is the way, so don't let nature go astray. This is the second message and quote, and now I will show you the third message We must convince and empower people to adopt the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity as their guide principle. Now, I will show you some ways to preserve biodiversity. Support local farms regularly, buy from small local farmers and starts or market helps to keep rupees in the local economy and supports agriculture effort to conserve biodiversity. Second, save the bees. Third, plant local flowers, fruits and vegetables. Fourth, take shorter showers. 5. Respect local habitats. Sixth, know the research.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya Dave and I am going to recite a poem on biodiversity. Have you ever really looked at trees and seen their perfect beauty? If you have, you know that their protection is a stern and sacred duty. Protection of that spreading grandeur through many summers grown, safeguarding of those temples green where the song of when next you see the wide-flung branches of a graceful pine, think to yourself, a sacred service is part and parcel of mine. I resolve to protect all trees forever and guard their heavens and beauty. To save the forest of our land shall ever be my duty. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Shreya Dave and I am going to recite a poem on biodiversity. Have you ever really looked at trees and seen their perfect beauty? If you have, you know that their protection is a stern and sacred duty. Protection of that spreading grandeur through many summers grown, safeguarding of those temples green where the song of when next you see the wide-flung branches of a graceful pine, think to yourself, a sacred service is part and parcel of mine. I resolve to protect all trees forever and guard their heavens and beauty. To save the forest of our land shall ever be my duty. Thank you.
Most people would agree that areas of vegetation with all their attendant life forms are inherently more attractive than burnt, scared landscapes or acres of concrete and buildings. Who wouldn't prefer to see butterflies dancing above colored flowers rather than an industrial complex belching smoke? Well, human well-being is inextricably linked to the natural world. Therefore, to spread awareness and to increase understanding of the biodiversity issue, the UN decided to celebrate the International Day for Biological Diversity annually. International Day for Biological Diversity is observed every year on May 22nd. This year, the day is celebrated today, on Saturday. Every year, there is a specific theme for International Day for Biological Diversity 2021. This year, 2021, the theme is We Are Part of the Solution. COVID-19 has further reminded us of the intimate relationship between people and nature. We need to protect nature, restore ecosystems, and establish a balance in our relationship with the planet. Everybody has a part to play. Sustainable lifestyle choices are the key. On this International Day for Biodiversity, let us all be part of the solution.
Hello everyone, I am Pratish Paliwal from class 6th and today I am here to give a speech on biodiversity. Biodiversity is the biological variety and of life on earth. Biodiversity is a measure of variation at the genetics, species and ecosystem level. Biodiversity is usually greater near the equator, which is the result of warm climate and high primary productive. How we can save our biodiversity? Plant local flowers, fruits and vegetables. Take shorter showers. Respect local habitats. Know the source. and plant more and more trees and respect all the animal because they have right to live on the earth like humans.
Hello everyone, myself Ritvik Sharma. So we will discuss about science. In science, we will discuss about biodiversity day. First of all, happy biodiversity to you. And first, in what date biodiversity day come? There is Saturday 22 May in 2021. So, why do we celebrate Biodiversity Day? Therefore, to spread awareness to increase understanding of the biodiversity issue, the UN decided celebrate day biodiversity day, and I will make some examples to you that you will understand this thing understandly, and I will show you examples of biodiversity day. Biodiversity day is biodiversity day. I will tell you in the picture. I will tell you the photo by making with me. Okay. So we made this picture about biodiversity day. So this is the pictures of animals and peoples. So this is a simple picture. You see this carefully. Yeah. Okay, fine. This is the picture. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, myself Anushka Munda from class 60. Today I speak a speech on a World Biodiversity Day. So let's start. Happy Biodiversity Day. Our earth is the territory of numerous species as marine life and land life. Every species is significant for adjusting the environment and has its influence on biodiversity. Biodiversity is the natural experiment of species and a reliable connection between them. Every species in the biological system has a different capacity without which the equilibrium of the environment may obliterate. International Day for Biodiversity. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, I am Devanshi Deshura of class 6th. Today I am going to tell you about biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the enormous and diverse range of biological creatures and living beings on planet. Different kinds of organisms are classified under the broad topic of biodiversity. This range from the largest blue whales to the smallest bacteria living on fingertips and tallest trees to smallest plant which are mere size of mustard seeds. Biodiversity is extremely important to maintain the ecological system. Most noteworthy many species of plants and animals are dependent on each other. Therefore, if one of them get extinct, the other will start getting endangered too. Moreover, it is important for human too, because our survival depends on plants and animals. For instance, the human needs food to survive, which we get from plants and animals. If there are no plants and animals, it will no longer be possible for us to sustain on this planet. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Aryan Raj from class 6th B. Today I am going to give a speech on biodiversity. As we know, 22nd May is the International Day for Biodiversity. Our earth is a territory of numerous species as marine life and land life. Every species is significant for adjusting the important environment. Every species in the biological system has a different capacity without which the equalization of the environment may obliterate. Important facts about biodiversity. Biodiversity makes up all the living beings on the planet Earth.